And I'm Shea.
And today we're going to be making Ancient Cosmetics Pumpkin Spice Body Butter.
Yep, we're going to show you guys how to whip this up yourselves at home in your own kitchen.
Yes, it smells so good. It smells like fall.
Yep, it's one of my favorite scents. I really love it. It's thick, it's creamy, and it's extremely moisturizing.
These are the key ingredients that we need to make our body butter. You need 5 ounces of cocoa butter.
Yep, you're going to need your 10 ounces of shea butter. And you're going to need 5 ounces of coconut oil.
Yes. Half ounce of ginger essential oil. And 1 ounce of the amazing smell of the pumpkin spice.
First step is we're going to melt all our butters. We're going to put it in the microwave for like 1 to 2 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and get ready to do that.
Okay, after all the melting is finished, this is how the cocoa butter should look. Cocoa butter goes from a solid to a liquid really quick. So if it is liquidy, if it's solid, if it looks like melted butter, it is perfect. Do not worry.
Right, and this is the shea butter. We melted the shea butter, but not all the way. It is still really thick and it's solid. As you can see, this is for the consistency of the butter. The coconut oil is not melted all the way. It's still in its solid form. We did not melt it at all.
Yes, we like it light and fluffy in its natural state, so it's perfect. Okay, so now we're going to mix it all into the mixing pot.
Ooh, I'm so excited.
Yes. Thank you.
This usually lasts us for about 2 weeks. Well, it lasts myself for 2 weeks. This jar right here, because I use it morning and the evenings because it's so good on my skin. I use it on my son. My whole family uses that. I really love that butter.
And last, the coconut oil. We're going to put in the fragrances last because we want that smell to come in last and strong and beautiful. Right. So now we're going to begin mixing. When you mix it, try the lowest possible. You don't want it to splash everywhere and just be a hot mess.
Now we can add in our fragrance.
Yes.
Put the fragrance in. And put your essential oil in. And you can use any essential oil you guys like.
It smells good already.
Alright, so this mixed up real perfectly. It's real thick, it's creamy, and it's ready to go. This would probably give us about 5 of these jars right here. And they're really cute, guys, for DIY Christmas gifts, Thanksgiving gifts, little thank you gifts. They're really cute. I love them. And
yes, I think we might giveaways for, you know, after Thanksgiving dinner.
Right.
Okay, you guys, that's pretty much how you make your own do-it-yourself Ancient Cosmetics Body Butter. Be sure to subscribe below. Follow us on Instagram. Click that link. Ancient Cosmetics. What are we doing next, Shay?
Next, we will be doing our sugar scrubs.
Okay.
Do not forget to subscribe to check out our sugar scrubs.
Alright, I'm excited.
That's it from Shay
and Coco.
Later.
See you later.